Hey, welcome everybody. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. So let's go to the video. Today I'm gonna show you really quick what I've been showing you in a previous model. I have right here on my hand a Galaxy S10 Plus. As you guys can see, double camera right there on the screen. Okay, what I'm here to show you is if you have the phone basically, or you have this problem on a phone, let's connect it to the charger and let's see what's going on. See, right away your phone temperature is too low. So as I show you in previous video, is the same problem we've been having. See, charging will continue when the temperature return to normal. All right, so I'm gonna show you why this is caused by. If you are stepping into this problem, as you guys can see, I was replacing the screen, and you want to test the screen before you put the whole phone back together, and you come across this problem. The solution is very quick and easy. If you have an inductor not installed on the phone, you always gonna see this problem. So because the inductor, as you guys can see, the wireless charger inductor right here, it has a little component right there. If that component also gets broken, or by you removing the back cover you rip this off, or something going on here, you're gonna have to get a new piece and replace it. Because if the phone detects then this component is missing, is when the phone start giving you this low temperature message. So let's going to test. We're going to test these, and I'm gonna just quickly go ahead and install. I'm not gonna even put the screws on it. I'm gonna just push it on the back right here so I make contact. So, and let's try it on and let's see what we find. It's still not making contact. So I'm looking like a dumb here. So, but anyways, it is what it is. So let's see. I think the cables are on this side. Okay, perfect. All right, let's do it again. I mean, you can always put the screws. I'm just doing this for the video for you guys. I'm doing this for you guys. Boom. You see, the phone start charging normal, and it will be doing this. So remember, if you are going to replace the screen on this phone and you want to test it, or you come across this problem, remember the solution is just put the back. Just put the back. This actually just the wireless charger inductor right there are the contact. Make sure that little piece doesn't get broken on the process of replacing anything on this phone, and you will be safe and your phone will be okay. So that's it for this video, guys. Just pretty nice and simple. That's how you like it, straight to the problem, and let's get out of here. So this is Jose and I'm out. I'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll be right back.